Now let's learn few of the operations that can be performed in Tableau. The very first is add a join. Like we previously learned, join is the combination or merging of more than one data source together in a vertical fashion. Next is add a blend. Blend is a very powerful feature of Tableau. It is used to analyze multiple data sources together in a single view. Just one condition, multiple data sources should be related. Then comes add a union. Union is again an operation of merging or combining two or more data sets, but this is done in a horizontal fashion. That is, structure of the tables or the sources should be same, only there is the appending of the data happening. Thus these are the operations that can be done in Tableau. Let's learn them how to do it in Tableau in the upcoming demo. Now let's learn about Tableau and its joins. Data joins are very important for data analysis and is generally a common ask. Joins are mainly performed to show data from multiple tables into a single source. There are majorly four types of joins in Tableau. The very first is inner join. Suppose we have two data sets A and B, and inner join is performed on A and B, and as a resultant it will return all the common rows between A and B. Second comes right join. Consider the same data source A and B, and we are performing a right join on it. As a resultant, it will give all rows of B and the matching rows between A and B from A. Then comes left join. It is similar to the right join, but again, if we have two sources A and B, so and we are performing left join, it will return all rows of A but the matching rows from B. Then comes full outer join. This will return all the rows of A and B where A and B are our data sources. So it's kind of a combination of your right join and left join, or you can consider it as a Cartesian products of both the data sets. The joins can be performed on multiple data sets as well. Thus, these are the joins that we can perform in Tableau. Now let's see how to perform the very first operation in Tableau, that is joins. Open your Tableau desktop and navigate to the data source pane. In this you will see all the sources imported by default. Now let's see, we need to perform a join on people and the orders table. So what we need to do is first drag and drop people table to the empty space and you will see the data in the data pane. Now to perform the join, hover on the people table and you will see a small triangle. Click on this and click on open. Now in this empty area you can push the other source with which you want to create a join. Here let's say it's orders. Now when I drag and drop orders here, you'll notice Tableau has automatically given it a join, that is a inner join. Also the data of orders is visible in the data pane. Thus join has been done. Now if we need to change the type of join, or we need to see on which the inner join has been performed, we can click on this and you'll see that inner join is highlighted and the column on which the join has been performed is stated here. So data source refers to the people and orders refer to the orders source, and you'll see region, this column is coming from the people table and this region is coming from the orders table. For example, if you need to put a new condition, you can click here and select some other column, or you need to change the condition from equal to not equal or less than greater than whatever, you can choose it from here, or from the existing one if you need to change the column name, Click on this arrow and choose the column on which you want to perform the join. Like I told you, Tableau has automatically taken the inner join by default. That means all the common rows are being visible. If you want to change it to left join, we can click on left, and now it will show all the rows of table people and the matching rows of the order table. If I click on right, it will give me all the rows from the orders table and matching rows from the people table. And if I click on full outer, it will give me all the rows from people and orders table. Now, once you have selected the join, you can click on this close and then click on this close, and you will notice you'll see a small icon here stating that there has been some join performed on the people table. Now, when you move to the sheet 1, the data that would be shown would be a combination of the people table and the orders table. Thus, this is the way we perform joins in Tableau.
If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.